Hello children, I am Manoj Kumar Upadhyay, class 7th, integers. Once again we are going to discuss about the integers. Now it's the term to discuss about the exercise 1.3 children. Now children, in integer if we will divide plus divided by plus, then the result of the integer will come plus, minus divided by minus, the result will come in plus divided by minus, it will come minus, and minus divided by plus, it will come minus children. In question number 1, few questions I am going to discuss children. First question means I am not doing all the questions. Few questions I am doing first, third, fourth, 7th and 10th. By the help of this, all 12 questions of the first part you can solve very easily. Look at the video and try to understand children. First one, 65 divided by minus 13. We have to understand here 65 is positive and 13 is negative. First we will discuss about the sign, and definitely the sign will come minus, and 65 divided by 13, that is very easy. That one you can solve very easily, like 5, 13 into 5, 65. Same condition children here, minus and plus, it will come minus 4. Here minus and plus, here also same, negative 11. Now here both are negative, then it will come positive, or there is no need to write the sign. Understand? Then this one is what? 5, positive 5. Here both are 63, negative divided by positive, so negative and 1. Now it's the time to discuss about the question number 2. Fill in the blanks children. 72 divided by dash equal to minus 4. 72 positive and here negative minus 4. So definitely here negative 13 will come. Same condition children. Minus 36 and here minus. So here it will come positive and it is 9. First one is not given in third. Second one is minus 4 and result is 24. Here minus, here positive. So what? 96 will also come negative, because negative divided by negative equal to positive. Children, next one, fourth one. The result is 0 and here positive 25. For 0 there is no need to think more. It will come 0. Now next one is here negative sign but here positive sign. If we will take this place also negative, it will become positive. So it will be minus 36. Next one, just opposite children, here positive. So here we have to take negative to make it negative. Next children, (39) divided by 39. Okay, then 1 divided by dash equal to negative. So first one is positive, second one definitely we have to take negative, so make it negative. And last one children, minus 1 divided by 1. So it will become negative 1. One more thing we have to understand children, if we will divide by 1 to any digit, definitely with sign the result will be same. So we can understand children, here minus 1 and here also minus 1. Definitely this type of condition can be created if we will divided by only 1. Children, now it's the term to discuss about the true false, and this one is question number 3. See first one, 0 divided by minus 4. By 0 any digit will be divided, then result will be 0, so it is true. Minus 6 divided by 0 equal to 0. In this type of condition, its answer is not defined. Its answer is not defined because in denominator means what we are dividing, that will be denominator, and in denominator never be 0. So it is not the answer 0, it is not defined. So it is false. Minus 5 divided by minus 1. Here definitely it will be positive, but here negative, so it is false. Minus 8 divided by 1. Same digit, so it is true. Minus 1 divided by minus 1. Definitely we need positive 1 because both are negative. So we need positive. So it is false. And last of this exercise, negative divided by negative. So it will be positive and it is positive. So 9. So it is true, children. Children, now I am going to discuss about exercise 1.2. So many students are asking some questions and solved answer sent to me in WhatsApp, and I saw that answers, and I observed that there are so many mistakes, or we can say in wrong way students are doing. So now I am going to explain in which method we have to do. Mathematics is okay, in any way you can do, but what means smart mathematician or smart mathematics students have to do the questions very smartly. I am continuously showing these questions, what is the internal thing of these questions. I am going to explain, children, what is wrong way and what is right way. Here I will discuss, children. Children, this is the question, and this question is done by the students in this way: minus 8 into 9 plus minus 8 into 7. So minus 8 into 9 equal to minus 72 plus minus 8 into 7 minus 56. The answer is minus 128. Children, we have to understand this answer is absolutely right, but this is not the way to do. In class 6 we will discuss about a formula that is called distributive law of addition. Children, what is that distributive law of addition? This one is the distributive law of addition: a into b plus a into c equal to a into b plus c. Means the first one here and the first one here both are same. Children, look at this question. Minus 8 is here, minus 8 is here. Means if we will consider both minus 8 as a, then here 9 and here 7. What we have to do? A means we have to take common a and into b plus c. This is the method of distributive law of addition. In this way, if we will discuss, children, what we have to do here, children? Children, minus 8. Then children, minus 8 into 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. And if we will multiply with minus 8 into 16, this one minus 128. This one and see this one. Both are same. But what is the difference between both? It is very easily done, but it is we have to do first multiply this and then multiply this, then we have to solve. But this is not the correct method. Either the answer is right, this is not the correct answer, correct method. This one is the correct method. So we have to always do by the help of this way, and this one is the identity to solve these questions. There are so many questions here, and you can observe very clearly, children, all the questions belongs to this method, and you have to do only this way. if you have already done in your homework copy, once again you have to do this one. Don't cut it. Once again, put the exercise number, question number, and solve once again by the help of distributive law of addition, children. Okay. Nice day, children. Okay, all the best. Do your work carefully, smartly, and love mathematics.